Hello! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch. To do it, simply press the back/menu button on your watch, like this. Once you open the menu, you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Scroll through the menu, select the settings option and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, select the watch face option and then tap on it to enter. And here we can select type of the watch face, and we have digital and analog. Select the one you like. And then we can select the style of the watch face, and we have different styles. So find the one you like and then tap on it to select it. And then we can select the color theme, and we can select, for example, purple. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, like this. And as you can see, the watch face changed. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.